video I'll introduce the area light. So let's go to the drop down menu for lights, choose area light, and it comes in at 0, 0, 0. It's buried in our sphere, so let me pull it out and up. And the area light it defaults to a rectangle of light that projects in both directions. Coming over to the Details tab on the area light, know that the area's shape, if you hit the drop down menu, you can change it to a disc, sphere, etc. Just know that that's there. We're just going to deal with a rectangle for right now. Also, you can adjust the size of the area light here, adjusting the size of X and Y, or in the viewport you can just adjust it by grabbing these amber handles if you wanted to. So let me render this and show you something here. When it's rendered, you see you get this like odd shadow beneath the area light. That's because it's projecting light this way in the Z direction, and it's projecting light in the other direction as well. Sometimes you might want that effect. More often you will not want it. So coming over to the Details tab, underneath Falloff, there's this parameter called Z direction only, which is by default disabled. If you enable that, it's only going to project in the Z direction. So let me do a render here, and you can see it's only projecting that way. As far as the other parameters I talked about with the spotlight, with fall off and shadow, it's the same, but the look of it is a little bit different. It's the area light has a softer feel to it and more natural feel to it. So let's, just for a very, very quick demo, let me choose the light, and for fall off, I'm in the Details tab, I'm going to choose fall off, I'm going to choose inverse square, and then clicking the General tab, for the shadow, I'm going to choose area shadow, and in the viewport here, I'm going to move this guy back so it's not so wretched and annoying here, and move it up a little bit. Do a render, and you see just that little bit. It's a pretty cool, realistic lighting. It's really, really intense. Let's just for demonstration purposes, let's crank the intensity down to like 74%. And what was the other thing I wanted to do with this? I forget. Maybe if I render it, I'll remember. Oh yeah, okay, so selecting the light, going into the Details tab, and ensuring that fall off is enabled. If I scroll out, you can see like there's this, what I call this cage. So you can see like the fall off is ending basically on its object. So it's not, the fall off is not projecting very, very far past this object. So if I grab this amber handle, I'm going to increase the fall off a whole bunch so it progresses past the object. And I have this annoying blown out highlight, but I'm not going to worry about that. Hit the render, and so now you can see that the fall off of this light does not occur until it's well beyond the object, and that's defined by this boundary right here.